Hello, is this
Speaking.
Hi there, my name is David.
Why? What are you trying to do?
I'm actually a videographer and I'm offering like my businesses.
No, not this point in time, mate.
Alrighty, no problem. Thank you so much though. Have a good night.
All good. No worries. Catch you, mate.
That doesn't work. I was trying to be a bit low key, but I don't think that works. Okay.
Next stop, Third CBD.
I got a separate package that came in and kind of looks like the tripod that I want to get. So basically this is it. Oh, it is the tripod. Okay. So this is like a table thing you can put in the middle of the tripod. Yep, Ulanzi. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's the tripod right there. I will probably be making like a standalone video for this tripod. I don't like how the tape looks like it's already been opened though. I hope not. Look at this. Got a bit of damage on the packaging here. I don't know what happened there. We got some instructions, a strap, gels, some munchies. I can eat that later. And we got the tripod itself, ladies and gentlemen. Do we have anything in the packaging? I would presume not. No, we don't have anything else. If you don't know, my room is quite full. Especially for some of my gears, I don't have a place to store them, so I just have them on the floor right now, which is terrible. And the space that I have here, if you just take a look at that, this space here. Wait, so we were talking about a table, and I was hoping to kind of move my stuff when I got the tables, but pretty soon the admission or whatever they're gonna check if my room is clean because there's gonna be a guest coming on the 11th. Anyways, I need to clean this stuff up, but I'm really lazy. And then I phoned a friend, I don't know, and he told me that I can just clap and then it'll just be clean on itself. I don't know which kind of witchcraft is that, but I'm not gonna follow that though. I'm gonna try my own thing. I'm gonna try snapping. I'm gonna try snapping. Okay. I'm gonna snap, and then all of this will be clean. I hope so. It says the power of editing. I don't know. I don't. All right, let's give this a try. Oh shit, it works. Anyways, back to the tripod here. Oh baby, you got the smell of new items just coming straight out of it. Look at this, baby. Oh my lord. Look at that. Oh my god. And of course, we get another one of F38 or Uka plate, basically. I mean, it's from Ulanzi, so it's Uka. But if I have my camera here, which has two F38 plate, it should work in here. And if it doesn't, I would be very disappointed. Oh my lord, this thing is beautiful. This thing is hella beautiful. And we got a 1/4 inch in the middle there, which is, I'm quite surprised that it has. I don't know what you would attach there, but it is there if you ever need it. We got the handle here. Let's just work from the top to bottom. Oh my god, this is my first time owning a tripod with an actual video head, so I'm really excited. The panning is smooth. This thing came off. This is the lock for the pan function, and it came off. They should have made something that kind of like stays in place after you unlocked it. I'm just afraid of losing that thing. Now let's try the leg, shall we? Oh my. I like how it uses I'm pretty sure it uses a spring mechanism to lock it. To unlock it, so basically you just have to apply a little force. And look at this thing. This thing is crazy. This thing, I'm pretty sure, yeah, you can raise it up. And then this, you can raise it up even more, which is already out of frame. And then I'm pretty sure you can bend this thing to the side. Oh shit, okay. There you go, that's how you do it. The build is solid. I love it. It's carbon fiber and it's really, really light. You know, I thought that because it's not a tilt lock or tilt release mechanism that I wouldn't like it so much. But color me surprised. The locking mechanism for the legs, at least, it's really, really solid. And as you know, I'm too small to be sponsored, so none of these stuff are sponsored. These are my honest opinions on all these stuffs. Oh, it can go all the way down. I forgot about that. I have this like slider kind of. That is pretty neat. Really nice. And one other feature, this thing is supposed to be a screwdriver as well. Yep, there you go. For most screws that we work with here, mostly 1/4 inch. So there you go. Does it work here? It does work here. Great, great, great. And you'd have a multi-tool in your video tripod handle at all times, and this is really, really nice. And then when I want to do overhead shots, I can just unlock this, go down like that, and I'll lock it back, and there you go. That's gonna be my overhead shot. All right, I can't wait to make a lot of cool shit with this. This one uses an Uka plate. They work interchangeably, as you can already see. This is the Falcon plate that I have, and I can just put it down here. I can just take this one-handed, just align it, and then boom, it locks. Anyways, really sick tripod. Look at this. It's so murky. And not to mention that this tripod is light enough that I wouldn't mind carrying it around. Can it go down a bit more? How far can it go down? I feel like it's a bit short. The color scheme, have I mentioned the color scheme? And it's hella nice, honestly.